There is a tomb in China that archaeologists have fully mapped, studied, and confirmed they know what's inside. And they are choosing not to open it. The mausoleum of Qin Shi Huang has been sitting underground for over 2,000 years. It belongs to the first emperor of China, the man who unified the country and built the Great Wall. Researchers believe it contains rivers of liquid mercury, entire palaces, and treasures beyond anything ever discovered. They even have the ancient texts describing it in detail. But here's where it gets strange. The mercury levels detected above the tomb are off the charts. The soil readings match the historical descriptions almost perfectly, so they know it's real. They know what's there. And every government, every archaeologist, every expert involved has agreed to leave it sealed. The official reason is that the technology to preserve what's inside doesn't exist yet. Opening it would destroy everything. But that tomb has stayed sealed for over 2,000 years. Makes you wonder what else they're waiting for.